One of the things that you need to know how to do both in the real world, i.e. at work, as well as on the Microsoft Office Specialist exam if you decide to take it, which I highly recommend doing. Certifications can only help the resume out. So look at the certification in case you haven't done so already. One of the things, like I said, that you have to be able to do is remove duplicate information. And as your worksheets get longer and longer with more information, there's a good chance you're going to have duplicate information. This worksheet alone, I know has duplicate information because I wound up copying and pasting the duplicate information. So the first thing we have to do is we have to convert this into a table. As of right now, it's just a good old normal worksheet with information. To do that, I'm going to highlight my second row here because this is what I want. There is a keyboard shortcut to select all this information, Control Shift down arrow, and that selects all the active information. And then I'm going to click another shortcut, which is Control and T. This does a really good job of guessing where your table is composed of, or what your table is composed of, where the information's at. So I'm going to click OK, and I just made a table. It is that simple to do, to create a table. To remove duplicate information, let me click off the table for a second. To remove duplicate information, I'm going to click on the table. A new tab appears up here called Table Tools. Let me click off the table again. You can see it disappear. And now you can see it reappear. So I'm going to click on Table Tools. I am going to go over here to Tools, and I'm going to click on Remove Duplicates. Let me click on that. And it's going to ask, what do you want me to look at? What information should I look at to see if there's duplicate information? Unselect all, and I want to look for names. I want duplicate names gone. So I'm going to click on names, and this might be customer ID or social security number or whatever. It's a unique identifier is what you're looking for here. So in this case, I'm going to select names. I'm going to click OK. Now, what's really cool, what's amazing about Excel is it's going to go through this entire worksheet and it's going to find duplicate information like instant magically. All right, so I'm going to click OK. Boom. It says, hey, there's 46 duplicate values found and removed. There were only 23 unique values that were there to begin with, which is about right for this worksheet. And the duplicate information is gone. So it's just that simple to remove duplicate information. First, and this is if you're taking the exam, convert it into a table, and then it's in Table Tools, and to the left is Remove Duplicates. Select the information that you want to look for, and then click OK, and that is all you have to do to remove duplicate information from your worksheets. For even more great tutorials and our complete catalog of online courses, please visit us at mrfordsclass.com.